I started 3 businesses this weekend from scratch. Total time, less than an hour. Total cost, $0. How, you ask? Stick around to find out, as we'll be breaking down 3 AI-powered side hustles that you can have up and running this weekend. We'll even compare them so you can see which ones are the easiest to start, the fastest to monetize, and the most scalable. Let's go. Starting off, we have website design services that we can sell to local businesses, be they salons, restaurants, dog groomers, or personal trainers. Now, if the thought of a website fills you with absolute dread, don't worry. With Airo AI Builder, it couldn't be easier. Let's say we want to make a website for a personal trainer. All we need to do is enter a description of their services, and Airo gets straight to work. In just a few minutes, we've got a homepage filled with relevant content. Airo even provides us with brand materials like a logo, font style, and color palette. Everything a professional business needs to get started. From there, we can expand our website one page at a time so that we're not too overwhelmed from the start. One of the great things about Airo is that complex features like booking systems and multi-language support can be added in one prompt. No coding and no design or technical skills needed. And just like that, we have a professional multi-purpose website ready to sell a local business. You can even start building for free, and then when you're ready, publish on a paid plan. All we do is choose our preferred plan, click publish, and then either connect an Airo web address, your domain name, or purchase a new one. Not bad for a day's work. Next up, we have local lead generation services. What this means is instead of building websites for businesses, we build a website that's designed to attract local customers. Then, once traffic starts rolling in, we sell those sale leads to nearby businesses, giving us reliable, steady income. For example, let's say we want to focus our efforts on dog groomers in Southern California. Much like before, we'll ask Airo to generate a landing page. This time, however, we'll gear our content around specific keywords and run an SEO report to help our website rank higher on local search results. Naturally, this will take some time, but it'll still give our websites a strong foundation from day one. We'll then add contact forms and booking requests to our site that'll allow us to capture sales leads, all of which we can find in our dashboard. From there, we reach out to our local dog grooming businesses and offer them a few leads for free to prove the quality. Once they see results, we agree on a fee for each lead that books. They focus on grooming, you focus on generating the clientele. Finally, we have the digital product store. As you'd expect, this involves selling exclusively digital services. For example, as a music tutor, we could provide online lessons, song sheets, learning tools, you name it. The beauty of this model is that we can sell our services to anyone, anywhere in the world, with no inventory or shipping costs, giving you more of an income. Anyway, similar to before, we'll tell Airo to set up an online shop, complete with product pages. We can even connect our website to Stripe, allowing us to take payments via credit and debit card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. From there, we'll add our services in the backend and upload any relevant files, either by adding it ourselves or by asking Airo to do it for us. And just like that, our digital store is open for business. So, now we know how to set up these 3 side hustles, but which is the best for you? Well, the website design service is undoubtedly easy to start and provides a quick source of revenue, thanks to Airo's ability to swiftly generate websites. Now, while lead generation can take a while to gain momentum, it more than makes up for this in terms of expandability as you gain trust from your business partners. A digital product store, meanwhile, offers an easy start that scales incredibly well due to the lack of overhead costs. Ultimately, though, any of these side hustles can be successful, provided you put the time and the effort in. And that's it. You're now ready to make what could be one of your best decisions this year. Try Airo AI Builder for yourself and see what you can make.